Hello, it's Dan Bunker here from United Learning's EdTech team, and in this short video tutorial we're going to look at green screen in iMovie on the iPad. I'm going to create a little green screen movie to begin with, and I'm going to use the Keynote app for that. So I'm going to click on Keynote and get started. I've got a blank slide, and what I want to do is format that with a green background. So I click on the formatting tool, choose background, and I'm going to look through until I find a nice strong even green. So I've now got my green screen background, and I want to add a character to be in my green screen video, and I'm going to use this teddy bear here. Now the issue here with the teddy bear is it's got a white background. I'm going to use Instant Alpha on the formatting tool to take off that background. So I click on Instant Alpha and carefully drag over the bit I want to remove. So that's fine. I've got the character ready. I'm just going to resize them and drag them off stage. Now I've got another character here I've already added and taken off the background, and this character is going to come on first, then go off, and then Teddy's going to pop up as if he's been hiding. So I'm going to start some animation by clicking on my character I want to animate, click on the animate, add an action. In this case it's follow a path, so I'm going to drag them over the path I want them to move. So this person comes on, looks for their teddy, and then goes off. I'm going to click done, and I'm just going to change the duration of that to be slightly longer. It's going to take, say, 6 seconds to complete that action or thereabouts. I'm going to do the same thing for the teddy. I'm going to click on the teddy, choose animate, add an action, which is creating a path. I'm going to drag the teddy up and down. Click done, and I'm just going to change the duration of the path just so it takes a little bit longer. Right, I'm now ready to export my green screen movie, so I'm going to click on the 3 dots and choose export and export it as a movie. So I've created my green screen movie, which is about 12 seconds long, and click export and then save to the camera roll. You can find your own green screen clips by searching online as well, but it can be quite a nice project to make your own simple green screen animation. So I'm going to save that video. That will go to the camera roll. I'm now ready to open up iMovie and start a new project. It's a movie project, and my video is going to be shot over just a still background, but you could use live video for your background for your green screen movie. I'm going to click create movie. I'm just going to drag this out to be a slightly longer timeline, let's say 16-17 seconds. I'm going to leave it as Ken Burns enabled, which gives a panning effect, and now I'm going to add my video. Now I don't want to add the video to the main timeline, I want to add it as an overlay. So when I look here and find my video, I click on it, and I don't just add, but I use the 3 dots and add it as a green blue screen video. I've just got to position the playhead at the beginning so it fits in. I've just got to make it slightly longer as well so it'll fit on it. So let's click and add that. There we go. I can adjust the timeline in a moment. Let's just say I'll drag that sort of to the middle. And the next thing I'm going to do is make sure the green is transparent. It says there, tap a colour to make transparent. Well, I want the green to be transparent. Let's have a look how this plays. We can see the character just coming on and off, and then up pops Teddy in a moment, and there we have it. We've got our green screen effect over the underlay below. We'll just run it through again, check there's nothing untoward happening. That's fine. So you can carry on building, adding extra video, adding extra green screen effects to build up your green screen movie in iMovie on the iPad. I'm just going to click done to finish off, and then that movie can be shared, exported and renamed using the share button at the bottom. Save that video. I can change this to whatever title I want, and I'm going to save it, and there you have it, a quick green screen tutorial using iMovie on the iPad.